everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making sandwich, super green panini. It's delicious, nutritious, quick and easy to make, good for you. Let's do it. And for the ingredients we need for this simple sandwich, obviously greens, any greens you wish. I'm using broccolini, beautiful fresh broccolini, and dandelion. They are slightly bitter and you can use mustard greens to replace them. But if you don't like any bitterness, use any greens you like. Spinach, kale, literally any greens. And other ingredients, we need onion, garlic to give nice flavor, butter, and I will also use a little bit of olive oil, good quality bread. And I use in my bread, sourdough bread called bold sourdough bread. And I have on my website, I will link below for recipe, but use any bread you like. And obviously some cheese, good melted cheese. Let's do it. We need to chop onions. Chop very fine, about half onion if it's large onion, if it's big. And 2 cloves of garlic. And garlic. About 1 tablespoon of olive oil. A little bit of pepper and salt. While our onion and garlic saute, we'll get some prep for the greens. I'm using about half and roughly chop. And broccolini, and about half of broccolini. To the sauté onion we add butter, add a little bit more salt, but not a lot because remember we already salted onion and pepper. And I like to add, every time when I have deal with greens, I also like to add nutmeg, but it's totally optional, just a little bit. Greens loves nutmeg. And on medium-low heat, saute about 5-10 minutes when it's nice, soft, but not mushy. So the greens become nice and soft. And to prevent burn, we don't want to add any liquid. We just cover a little bit and let cook for another 5 minutes. And cheese. And for the cheese, I use Irish cheese. It melts nicely and has mild flavor. A little bit of olive oil. And I like to do on cast iron pan. Kind of swish around. And let cook for another minute or so. And now time to flip. Oh yes. And look at this, how nice melted cheese and with blend together with greens is delicious. And cut the way you like. I like to make it pointy. I think people like pointy food, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. It's going to be messy. Look at that. Nice and crunchy bread. Cheesy, buttery, delicious. And for those who attempt to eat greens without any fat, it's actually a mistake. Your body needs fat to absorb better all your vitamins from your greens. So add more butter and more cheese. Will be delicious, I promise. I hope you enjoy this recipe and you give it a try soon. Give me a like and subscribe. And as always, on end of the video, we take 1 ticket from my wish recipe jar. What we're going to make next time. Let's see it. Oops. More greens, leek and potato soup, one of my favorites. And remember, for full recipe, I always link in description below, and also related recipes like sourdough bread. And please check my website, you may find something helpful. And give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.